Spot fixing has long plagued the country known as the Islamic Republic of Pakistan. From getting players fined and banned to having the first cricket player in history jailed, Pakistan has had more than its fair share in dealing with spot fixing. You are watching Cricket Tale, and today we'll be talking about spot fixing in Pakistan. Let's get started. Match fixing is not a thing of the past. Even in current times, we see players like Umar getting banned for spot fixing. Legends such as Salim Malik have returned from controversial circumstances to offer apologies and get back into the business by helping the fight against corruption.
अपील करूंगा ह्यूमन राइट्स क़वानीन के तहत मुझे भी जैसे बाकियों के साथ अच्छा सलूक किया गया है, मेरे साथ भी वैसा ही सलूक किया जाए.
Pakistan is a country with one of the greatest loves for cricket, and it is globally acknowledged that Pakistan versus India rivalry is one of the biggest events in modern sport. Studies show that more than 55% of the Pakistani population is interested in cricket. That's over 121 million people. And yet the Pakistani players have repeatedly involved themselves in match fixing for the obvious benefits. Valuable and talented players have been removed from the team for many decades, and yet it continues to happen. Pakistan is an emotional nation. Our passion for the sport is thicker than blood and deeper than Faz Ahmed Faz's poetry. It was immensely difficult for the nation to convict the crowned hero Wasim Akram even after a teammate testified against him. The entire controversy surrounding Akram's case leaves much room for reflection. Deep down, do we not want to believe that our greatest talents can betray us?
मैंने जो बयान बदला था, वो वसीम अकरम के कहने पे बदला था.
The World Cup winning legend has perhaps set a standard for other cricketers to follow. If you can win the team a trophy, match fixing is no longer a big deal. Redemption is also found in other ways. We don't need to look further than the 2010 spot fixing controversy to find it. This was the first time cricket match fixing was brought up internationally. Key players of the Pakistan team took bribes in order to throw the series match against England. Mohammad Amir, Mohammad Asif, and Salman Butt were labelled as national embarrassments for throwing the series. Mohammad Amir, a juvenile at the time of the scandal, returned to the national cricket team in 2015. From there, all it took was a few consistent but great performances for the public to accept him back. The juvenile who fell prey to corruption is becoming a cleansed hero. Will future players start to think that redemption is easy, especially if they fall prey to corruption young? More recently, players are being prosecuted for a failure to report fixing as opposed to being involved. Is this a step forward? When players engage in spot fixing, the winner is sometimes not clear, but the loser is always Pakistan. Should players be forgiven? Are their apologies genuine? How can the PCB put an end to spot fixing? What does the future hold? Let us know what you think in the comments below, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.